In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer account in Shopify. This short walkthrough will guide you through every click and decision, so you can connect Payoneer to your store and accept card payments smoothly. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Use the account that manages your store settings, so you have access to the configuration area. Once you're in, move to the bottom left of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, select Payments to access the list of payment options available for your store. In the Payments section, you'll find a panel labeled Payment Providers. Click Choose a Provider to open the search and selection interface. Type Payoneer Checkout into the search field, so you're looking specifically for the Payoneer integration. When the results appear, select the option called Payoneer Native Checkout Cards. This is the app that enables Payoneer card processing directly in your checkout flow. After selecting the app, click Install to add it to your Shopify setup. Installation usually takes only a few moments, and you may see a confirmation once the app is added to your store. With the app installed, the next step is to connect it to your actual Payoneer account. Look for a button labeled Manage Accounts or Connect in the Payoneer app section and click it. Shopify will redirect you to the Payoneer site to complete the authorization. On the Payoneer side, sign into your existing account. Or, if you don't have one yet, follow the registration prompts and complete the application process. Payoneer will ask for business information such as company name, address, and possibly tax or identification details. Provide accurate information to avoid delays during the review. Allow any necessary pop-ups or redirects so the authorization can complete without being blocked by your browser. Once you authorize and link Payoneer to Shopify, the connection will be established, and your store can start using Payoneer for customer card payments. It's a good idea to verify that the app appears active in the payment settings and to run a small test transaction to confirm everything is working. Monitor your Payoneer dashboard and email for any messages about verification or additional required documents during the review process. That's it. You've linked Payoneer to your Shopify store. With the account connected, you'll be ready to accept payments through the native Payoneer checkout.